first go to Google. Hi, Ma'am She. Google Contacts Directory. Okay, go to Contacts Directory. Here, you have to sign in if you still not in WVSU account. So since this is not my WVSU account, I have to go there, WVSU account. Then see, you can see all the contacts here. You can also search, for example, Cherilyn Delgado. So all the Cherilyn Delgado email addresses are there. So it's easy. Or you can find Jade Hanay there, or Myra Oliveros, or Michael Cesar Tubal. So you can just copy your students' email addresses there. Then that's it. Okay? We're done.